In 2023, economic volatility coupled with continuing technician shortage and rising complexity of vehicle service and maintenance will result in greater market pull for electronic diagnostic solutions. In a recent Narragansett-sponsored Voice of Shop and Fleet Managers survey, despite fears of an impending recession, 1 in 3 shop managers reported a willingness in increasing the number of electronic scan tools. This is in line with the trend of rapidly increasing the number of tools per technician in North America. In 2016, for every 6 technicians servicing, maintaining, or repairing heavy-duty commercial vehicles in North America, there was 1 electronic scan tool. By 2026, we expect that technician-to-tool ratio will reach 2 to 1. Finally, dwell time reduction in shops is seen as one of the fastest emerging challenges for shops and fleets alike. This is a serious issue that needs addressing since these commercial vehicles move freight and people that propel our economy forward. Check out our Outlook study titled Unpacking Commercial Vehicle Diagnostics Market 2023 to understand how market trends will create growth opportunities for your business this year.